Test, test, test. I think I can hear myself. Hey, can you guys hear me? Hold on. Okay, cool.
Oh, we
Okay.
did it!
You,
We did it!
yeah. Okay, now I know what to do. Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. How are you guys doing today? Um, Finally get the mic working. So let's see. What's up? What's up? How are you guys doing? Eh, it's Sunday. The markets are open. Um, Money about to be made. So definitely. See, let me get set up. I didn't get a chance to get it set up real quick. Um, but yeah, we'll start in just a few minutes. Let me get set up real quick. But yeah, while I'm doing that, if you guys would drop your the trade that you're gonna be trading tonight or this week, or what pair did you trade last weekend or last week? But yeah, let me know. If you got any profit or what's going on, just let me know, guys. But yeah, let me set this up real quick. Yeah. Actually, let me change this color. Okay. Mm, Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it like that. But let me see. Mm, Whatever. I'm just gonna leave it at that. But yeah, just keep it coming. I want to know if you made any profit or not. Because today I'm gonna be going over some game planning. So that way you guys can have a more of a effective week. Um, so we're watching this motivational speech right here. So definitely a bunch of nuggets throwing right now. Great stuff. Hold on, I'm trying to change it. I'm trying to find a better. Uh, okay, that should be good enough. There you go. And then yeah, I'm just gonna keep it that. I'm not trying to mess with that. Too much work. Um, see, I need Forex Factory, Media Outlook, and I'm just gonna throw Bloomberg in there. So, um, so you message me. Let me look. I didn't on Facebook. No, I don't see it. You just said never mind. Figure it out. Hold on. Um, so yeah, I mean that's actually yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for this one. Let's check news before we start. Um, so nothing's gonna happen until no news until 1:30. Um, so we should be clear for that. And okay, so tonight it's gonna be mainly Euro. So um, hmm, okay, so I'll stay away from Euro JPY tonight. So see, see, there's the pair right there. Winning on US News. Wait, hold on. When did that? Was that coming? I think close to the morning. Uh, US News. Oh, okay, so yeah, I mean mostly I'm gonna be trading um New York session. So um I'm actually trying to flip my schedule around where I'll go to sleep at like um 2 o'clock and then I'll wake up at 6:30. So um hello. Actually, you know what? iPhone actually came out with this new thing today on the clock or on the yeah, on this clock thing, and they actually have this right here. Um, pretty much like you can set up your like bedtime and pretty much it's all right there. So I'm getting about 4.5 hours. So and then I will be trading New York session, and then I can actually have a normal life. So um yeah. So yeah, I mean that's the thing. It's like whenever it comes to trading, you kind of have to find balance in your life. Like what are you doing every single day? I mean, so my normal routine is I'll wake up around 4. Actually, no, like between 5 or 6. And then I'll go outside and I'll longboard for like about 30 minutes, and then I'll come inside and then I'll do my mentoring, and and that was it, and then I'll do the stream and then so on. But I wasn't really having any balance in my life. So now as it's been a couple of weeks and I've been trading um you know, New York session for a while, and I was like, you know what, I kind of like this. I kind of like, the movement of it, or like how volatile it is, and you know, and I was like, and then I look into it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start, trading New York. I'm gonna start, hitting the gym more. I can do, I can go out, during the day and actually, have a normal life, and like I mean, yeah, when you're trading forex, you just like, you have that time freedom or that freedom to make money from your phone, your laptop, and your computer. But what are you doing that other than trading? I mean that's really matter because the reason why I got into forex is because I wanted to have more time doing the things that I enjoy doing. So and I was just trading both session, and then I was trading London session, and so on, and I wasn't getting um I wasn't having the free time that I was working for. So, yeah, New York session is definitely going to be the session that pretty much the trade house going to be trading, and it's going to be dope. Like it's if hold on, let me show you guys something real quick. I uh I don't usually like show like profit, but you can see right here. Alright, you can see. Hold on, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's three 3,780 in profit within 2 days. But again, like I don't really uh you know show a lot of my profit, and I'm not always like showing people how much we're making and this and that. It's not real. It's not one of those things where it needs to be people needs to know about it because that's my private what lot size definitely a standard. So yeah, I put in two standards, so it was nice, but that was like in a day and a half. And then again, it's like what we promote, as a team or as the trade house is, not like how much money we're making or the car and the washer, whatever it is that a lot of people chase, but we chase that town freedom to do the things that we want to do. Whether for me, like for example, I like to work out. I like to be active. I like to go outside. I like to go. I like to travel. So Forex was is a vehicle for me to do the things that I want to do. It's there to replace your job. Like at any time of day, I can pull out my phone, aka my ATM, and I can make you know quick 20, 30 bucks within a couple minutes. That could happen, or whatever it is that you want to do. Forex is able for you. It's gonna help you to get there. So, going to this week, it's definitely it's gonna be. I know for a fact it's gonna be a fun week. And definitely you already know that withdrawal video is coming out, so it's gonna be lit. So yeah, and that's you know, privilege that you're able, you know, to get, working with the treehouse and or just like being with us and whenever you guys see me on here, like couple two ball um two, 1 or 2 nights a week, we can trade live together. I mean, I know it's only at 9, but we can definitely, have a setup for London or New York or whatever it is. Like let's get some, live action going, and and that's like that's what it is. Like yeah, I can teach you guys this and that, but if it's whenever I'm in that moment, I can like express of like how I'm feeling or like like what's going through my mind right now because when I trade, like especially like whenever I trade with my my students, like I'll teach you guys or I'll tell them why I'm doing this and that, and that's really it's all about. You can tell someone that's all you want, but it's all about that moment, that life situation. What are you gonna do? That if that opportunity's there, is it not? You know what I mean? So definitely, um, that's what you gotta do. What? Hold on. What time does Asian open? It opens at. Hold on. I think at 4. Yeah, it opens at 4, and then it ends like either 1 or 2 Central Time. So I'm not sure what your time zone is, but check out USD CAD and USD JPY. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Hold on. Yo, that's key right there. You heard that? That's major key right there, bro. That quote. That quote is key. I actually been looking at USD CAD lately too. So um, I don't need that one. Okay. And we go to USD CAD. Wow. Okay. Um, this. Okay, so I mean this has to come down to um hmm. Wonder why it jumped that much. Um is he trying to go up to this zone? Maybe. Um let's see. So hmm. I'm trying to see why it's like what it like where is he trying to go to um because you know sometimes either news really affect this kind of things or like just kind of finish its part of what it's trying to do because each situation like this has its purpose um you know what I mean so like it was just like I think it was Euro AUD how back a while ago I think it was couple like I want to say like 2 weeks ago it kept dropping which is right I think it was yeah it was right here um right here so that was last week okay so yeah you know how this kept dropping and dropping I feel like there was a purpose in that and and same thing is here um maybe it needs to go up higher to its max I would say like right up here what I mean there's definitely zone but hmm, because it definitely broke through 38.2 so I'm not sure I mean like I say it could go up here or go up here but again I wouldn't buy it I mean I would sell it right now to be honest with you um just for me just until um no way hold on it's at the dollar hold on no it's what's the thing yes once it hit the 100 yeah bro definitely I could definitely see that happening um because like this pretty much was the 38.2 for for the USD CAD um what I mean so I mean if this thing goes up to here then hold on then we would be looking at either definitely like a right here so um because it usually tries to do that so wait what is it oh yeah hey just use trading view bro oh okay I think I can help you with that. I think I know someone that does that. uh Okay. I know if there's a way to do that. Maybe. We'll see. I got you. Let's see. So, I mean, I guess if it breaks this right here, um, like right here. Hit this. Okay. So I mean, yeah, it could definitely um break through that. because I mean, what other point is actually, you know what, I can use indicator on this and see if this might help us. Um, if you trading and this is definitely something you can use. Um, obviously you guys see me use this before. Um, but this could definitely help you. Um, and I'm gonna do 5. Um, hmm. So as of right now, I mean, for the RSI, let's see. I'm trying to see if if there's a divergence to this. So let's see. So from here, there's definitely not any divergence to this. So I mean, but I mean, if you know how to use, RSI, one what pretty much what you're looking for is, if it goes above the, 75 or 68, and then if it comes down here, you can definitely wait for it to come down to the 38 zone or the 25 zone. So um wherever it comes, like if you look right here, I mean, you already, if it comes down all the way down to here to 10, that's an extreme, 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 over oversold. So it definitely has to pick up again. So I mean, yeah, like you see it right here, this is 29. So like you'll be looking at like right around here and to 25. So right around here is your buy zone. Um, but that, and and then once I mean, this art right here, it's already um if like honestly, like, to be safe, if you really want, you can mark it up to like 280, and then you can sell from there. But that's to be really cautious um to this. But because I mean, like, it's already trying to push down a little bit, so um hold on, why does you have one line? What do you mean? This thing right here, it's my RSI. But yeah, I mean, like, this right here, it's already pushing down a little bit. So I would definitely wait to see what's gonna do, um because definitely this has been moving sideways. So not really, for me, I really I really try to stay away from USD cash sometimes, because I know it's been manipulating a lot of people. Like, cause I mean, if you think about it, if if it came up here, okay, and then this right here would have came up, maybe it'll come up here, and then sell from there. Because I mean, if you look on a daily, this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and then it goes down from there. You know what I mean? So I mean, this we can see definitely that it could push up to here, um, or let's see, maybe to right here, because let's see. So I'm just gonna remove that. So I mean, it might even push up here, because if this is what it's trying to do, is this head and shoulder, then then yeah, I mean, this is where it reverts down. So I mean, we might, like I said, we might even see it come up here. So, and then I mean, if it does that and then respect and then keep dropping, I mean, you are in for a long sale. So other than that, it's you can go from there. So let's see. Minus one. I have two lines. I'm not sure. Where's the corner R side? I don't know, man. I just type in RSI and then it's this first one right here. So I'm not sure. But let's see. Let me look at. Oh, that's USD JPY. This is what happened when I try to type really fast. So keep messing up. See. This right here. Okay, so back to when I used to use EMA. Um, I mean, I still use it a little bit now, just because I kind of know how everything kind of plays out better. Um, but back then, like I said, I was using tons and tons of indicators back in the day. Um, but yeah, I mean, if like I said, two things that I would recommend is, you know, um, let's see, at least one EMA. I would do 800, and then zigzag. So other than that, that's really all you need, and then RSI. Um, but if you use this, once it cross, I mean, even with like 800 and 200, that's a really strong confirmation that it's gonna go a different direction. So I mean, we see this three bottoms, or three this makes this M right here. Obviously it went up, but then again, if you think about it, it came down and then touched it three times, and then we might. What do you do to pull up? How many buys is it on? Oh, it's yeah, I got you, bro. Yeah, all you gotta do is if you go to my FX book, um, okay, I'm just gonna go home. Dang, I gotta resign in. Hold on. Mhm. Hold on. I'll show a minute. Hold on. Can't type right now for some reason. Okay, it just tells me my email is invalid. Okay. So whenever you log in, just go down to here, scroll down, and then it should say Community Outlook. And there you go. So yeah, and then you just go to how many positions are open, everything. So yeah, I mean, like going back to USD CAD, 16 percent of people that are trading forex or trading um USD CAD, and again, everybody is selling, 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 selling. Like I always tell you guys is, do observe the math and do the opposite. You know, um, so yeah, you can definitely can count on it to go up a little bit more. I mean I would if anything, I wouldn't really look into a sale right now until it actually goes down, and then do this, what it needs to do, and then get on a retest, and then goes down from there. You know, um, if you're really looking for a reversal, I was to be honest, I would say you'll be gambling at that point, because you don't know if it's gonna keep going up. You don't know if it's gonna reverse. You know what I mean? So definitely wait on the retrace, and yeah, I mean sell limit. Yeah, if like I said, if I were to do a sell limit, I would do it up here, if anything, or other than that, I would just wait, because again, when we're talking about make finishing a pattern, this might even it might even take 2 days to get up there. Um, you know, let's see how many pips that is. That's about 480. Wow, hold on. Am I doing this right? Let me let me double check real quick, cause that's a lot of pips, man, and I might have to get into a buy for that. But yeah, it's over 400. Okay. Um, my guess is, if it breaks this right here, if it breaks this trend line, I would buy. You know what I mean? Just because there's a lot of people are trading this pair that are selling. A lot of people, and this is one of the popular pairs that people trade. And like I always tell you guys is that um just wait. Just be patient. Let the market come to you. I mean, yeah, like a lot of people see, on 1 minute, on 1 hour, it might even start going down a little bit. You know what I mean? But guess what? That could be the retest that you can get in for a buy. Something like that. You know what I mean? Like whatever you think, just trust your analysis. That's really my advice to anybody. Coming into the forex market, because yeah, like you guys already know, there's a lot of money could be made. Okay, that could be done, and like but some people, they're chasing the market, and they end up, why they keep saying I have a bad entry, or I lost money, it stopped me out, because one, you weren't being patient, you didn't have at least 4 or 5 confirmation for you to get in this trade. A lot of people are just getting in just because they took the signal, or just because they're gambling, or they just want to make quick money. You can't go into the market like that. That's how you lose your money. That's how you're the one that paying people. You're the one that's paying the bank, because the only reason why people really make money off of this in the forex market, it's because they're patient. The market only pay the people that wait. Being patient, letting the market come to them. And that is the same thing as waiting for a retest. If you waiting for that confirmation that it's fully going downtrend, now you can ride with the trend. You know what I mean? But if you're trying to work against the trend, then you know what? Yeah, you might get lucky. You might get that perfect entry, but at the same time you're gambling, it could shoot up, 50, 60 pips. Yeah, I'm sure most people would have got it, got in for a sell right here, and it shot up. You know what I mean? If if I didn't know better, yeah, if I just know a simple, a simple, um, you know, price action. If you're doing zone, you see this zone right here, you see this zone right here, you see this zone right here, here and there, and then you're like, okay, cool. It it went down, went back up again. Okay, so that might be a retest, and then when you got in, yo, okay, cool. I got a good entry right here. You know what I mean? And then it dropped down, maybe 10 pips, and then it shot up. Why is that? You know what I'm saying? Why is that? If this would have turned it, if this would have gone down right here, I would say I wouldn't get it until it maybe go past this, come back up, and then I'll write it down. You know what I mean? That's how letting the market comes to you. And you know what? I'm gonna take that because one, that retrace, it all reverse, and then it has all the zone and all my confirmation, you know, and I was being patient. I mean, yeah, you can have at least 2 or 3 confirmation, you know, but one thing you're missing is patience. That's a big key, and you know going, really, if you guys are new on this stream, going back to when I was in Thailand, I was being impatient. I was being I wasn't falling in love with my process of being the I guess I would say the better trader than I want to be, or I was trying to make quick money. So you know I trusted someone, you know Signal, nearly blew my account. Actually, like 99% of my account. So, and that's something that, that was my lesson. I look back and I ask myself, why did I lose that money? And, it was because of me. I wasn't trying to, use what I've learned and apply to it. I was like, you know what? You know, I've been studying for 10 hours a day. I'm just going to let someone else do the work, and look what had happened. And for you guys don't know, I don't trade gold because it's too volatile, and so many more reasons. But one, I don't trade gold, so I took and second, I took someone else's analysis, and I over leveraged my account. you know, and the guy that I talked to, he was, never met him, never really, get to know him as a person, and I have no right of trusting him, and like if how I do business, I want to know you personally. I want to, we either Skype, video call, something where I can see you, your face or something. I'm very, like I said, when I do business, I'm really personal with when it comes to that. So I didn't know him as anything. I hadn't any trust in him. So going to seeing, oh, he told me he made millions and millions and millions of, money. Um, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna trust him, and then lost $8,000. And after that, I don't take anybody else analysis. So, and then and then that really took off for me. I wasn't trusting anybody else but myself. I didn't trust, someone else's analysis but me. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stick to my rules, and I gotta be disciplined. This I gotta do this and this and this and this. You know, and for me, that was keeping me in track. That was keeping me in check, and and everything took off. I was doing the things that I was supposed to be doing. I was, man, like it was insane, and it wasn't like anything crazy, but it was just I was surprised myself that I had the willing to do that. What I mean, I overcame temptation of breaking my rules, and I didn't. And it pays off. It really does. Like once you start seeing like 30,000 in profit, like you're gonna be like, okay, you know what? This code that I have for myself is working. So I'm just gonna keep doing. I'm not gonna break the cycle. I'm gonna keep thriving every single day. I'm gonna backtest everything that I do, every loss I took. You know what I mean? That's something you gotta do. You know, go like I said, going to this week of trading, you gotta come out with a rule, like a guideline of what you want to do. You know, how many pips you want to catch. How much you trying to make. Actually, we don't you gotta go into that, but how many pips you gotta catch. You know, per week and per day. Or just get with somebody that can keep you accountable. You know, and me being as a leader in HEB Trade House, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you something that no other leader would have. Let's see. I got this right here. I know everybody in my group. I know their goal, how much they're trying to make, or how many pips they're trying to catch, what pair they trade, when I'm gonna be teaching them, when we get on the call. I have it all right here, and then I'll code is Friday is withdrawal day. You can see it right here. HEB Trailhouse. Friday is withdrawal day, and then I have Donovan Thompson in there. I got Nicholas Howard, Brandon Brock, Aaron Hill, B. John, everybody. Like, you can see, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's something that you gotta do. Like I said, keep everybody or somebody accountable. You know, that's one of my rules. I want to keep someone accountable so they can keep me accountable also. That's something you gotta do. You gotta take this. If you treat this as you know as something, it's just not a hobby. If you treat this like a hobby, where what, when I come back to get off work, I'm just gonna look at some chart, markets this and this and this, talk to a couple people about forex, and really never really make any money. You know what I mean? So again, if you want to treat this, if you want actually trying to make real money in this market, what can you do to be different? What extra step are you taking to for you to look back? For me, it was like literally like 2-3 months. Then I look back, I was like, damn, you know what? I'm glad I spent 10 hours on my computer and study every single day, 10 hours straight, like 3 months straight, man. I'm telling you, you gotta ask yourself, what extra step are you willing to take for you to take your life or your financial life, whatever you want, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you know, to your next level. And it does this not even have to be in forex. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be in forex. If you're trying to, if you're trying to look better, what can you do, for you to get there? You know, and like I said, forex. I always tell myself, forex is life. Whatever we do, like for the example, and obviously that the chart goes up and down, up and down, up and down. If it's say in the middle, it's consolidating. Nothing's happening. You know, and it's like life. A heartbeat. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. If it stays in the middle, you're dead. You know, and if you're not thriving every single day, you're dead. You may be alive, but you're dead. You're not truly living. You know what I mean? So, really going back, like I said, go into this week, find somebody that you can trust, that can keep you accountable. Like me mentoring, my students, I keep them accountable at least I try every single day, but at least, I'm doing something and then I'm helping someone to get where they want to be. You know what I mean? Like I said, if you're looking, um, you know, to be your best friend, anybody, your business partner, anybody. You know what I mean? Like I say, find an accountable partner, and I'm telling you, your trading will be, it's gonna take off. You know what I mean? Because the more you're bouncing ideas around, with your group, with your your partner, the better you're gonna be. For me, I didn't really have anybody, and it's kind of sucks. It's like, yeah, I'm doing with my team, but um, I was going harder. I was the only one that's like making like progress, and I was like, damn, like, why does it have to be like that? And this is what, uh, actually, I want to pull this up for you guys real quick, and this is like, this was going. Let me pull up real quick. It's gonna make sense. Hold on. Actually, no, I should be right. Dang it, I don't have it. Hold on. It's in there somewhere. Hold on. It was pretty savage. Okay, so yeah, this is what you see right here, HEB Trade House, and this was during summer. I was going through all kind of emotions and failures and everything. Okay, and what after I think it was August, and I was like my trading went like literally from 0 to 1,000. Like yeah, like I mean I was like making at least like $500 a day before, but like I said, I want to take my trading to the next level, and this is in August, and this is what I told him. Hustle like you're broke, study like your life depends on it. Until you get in a state of mind, you're not that state of mind, you're not going to make it. It's a total mind game. I promise you. It's Thursday night here. I'm already I'm already putting 50 hours of studying. Um, and then I made 2K a day. Again, I study like my life, my future, my family, and everything else on the line. So, that's something that I told myself like everything that I do is on the line. Whatever I do every single day matters. Every second of the day counts. And you know what? If you failed that day, tomorrow's a new day. It's a new start. You know that's a blessing because some people went to sleep and never woke up. You know, like there's a reason why you're still here. And if until you realize that what I meant to live the life that I want or I deserve, or you tell yourself that you want this and that, if you truly believe in that, you know you're gonna stop treating this forex as a hobby. Like I'm serious. Like let's get to work. Like if you're doing what if you're like making it, if you're on your way to make it there, or you're seeing process or progress, like, or you're just starting now, yo, like, realize of what you're doing now and triple that and see, like, have like a 90-day like sprint where like study, trade. Like I'm telling you, like, and then backtrack of what you're doing every single day helps. You know what I mean? So again, like, I'm serious. Like, you gotta go all in. You know, and that's something you gotta work at every single day. And like, look, it's not gonna be hard. I mean, it's obviously gonna be hard, but it's definitely not gonna be easy. Okay, I'm telling you, it's not gonna be easy. Obviously, I don't like reading, and I do a lot of research. I can't find my notebook. I think someone took it, but whatever. Um, but yeah, like I read a lot of like articles, research. I took like if you know me in high school, I hate and I suck at taking notes, and so I never did. You know, Whenever I started in forex, I must start taking notes, so I did, and then boom, everything that is related to trading, you know, took off. Everything. So I started taking notes, back testing, and actually, like I said, like literally took my time, spend a couple hours a day, and to see what am I doing every single day, like what mistake am am I making so I can fix it. You know what I mean? I'm serious. Like you got like that's the discipline that you must have. So let me ask you this. How, okay, I want to know. Actually, I want to know this. I'm actually been curious about this for a long time. Um, how long have you guys been trading? Um, yeah, if you can, please write let me know how many years or how many months have you been trading? I really wanna that's something I always curious. Yeah, that's insane, bro. It is huge. Hey, you signing up for JFX? But okay, so nobody. Hold on. I don't think this is refreshing. Hold on. Since May. Okay, so you got a couple months. That's since May. So I started looking at the chart November. So October, April. I don't even. I know you are. Oh man, New York session. It's about to be lit, man. It's about to be lit. Like boy, it's about to be lit. I'm gonna be catching I mean actually I don't know. I might be training a little bit tonight after this the live stream, but probably I'll start around like 11, and then I'll go to sleep at like 2, and then I'll wake up at like 6:30, so that way I can train New York. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be training New York more than anything now, because like I said, I just want to have a normal life. Um, I feel like for me, I feel like I'm more productive during the day, to be honest, because just people are up. I can actually communicate. I can actually go out meet meet people. Because I mean whenever I was trading, I was just trading 2 sessions a day, like you know New York and or shit, London and New York. So going to sleep at like 11, waking up at at waking up at like a 4, 5, 6. So yeah, that's definitely not um really working for me right now. So what was it? Oh, okay. Yeah, let's close that off. So let's see. But I know me and Donovan's gonna be trading tomorrow at 7. So it's we're definitely gonna be catching some pips. So, but are you training tomorrow? Be lit. So, but yeah, like I said, it's let me actually let me get our side on this one. Let's see. But yeah, I feel like it's gonna go up a little bit more. So, um, and then let's look at this retest. See, I would say, um, I would say this can either be the if I draw a retracement or the Fibonacci right here. I'll probably be looking at maybe the 61.8 or 38.2. So let's see. So we have that. Thuds down. See what's up real quick. So it's the same thing. Okay, cool. Um. Okay. So this was the 38.2 retracement. I mean, it was right here. So I mean, we'll see. The Euro AUD. We're looking at this to go up, but like I said, if it goes down, then it'll go down to down here at least. Let me look on a daily real quick. This is really hard to see. Hold on. Why is this line still here? I'm not sure why this. Oh, that's why. Let's see. I don't know if I. Hold on. What two number you should put for your 800 and 200. So hey, look, Grandpa got a I think they call it Halloween pug, something like that. Huh? Let's see, we got Hello, was it Win Pug? Wait, Puggleween. Here you go, Puggleween. Our grandpa got it. It's the the mascot of the DFW Trey House. Grandpa the pug. So, but yeah, dude, he should have got first. I know. Like Marissa came back and was like, it's Rick. So, um, but yeah, if do you guys have any more questions for me before before I started setting up for tonight? So, so let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna call it. Um, yeah, definitely. If she, hold on, can send my char. Yeah, just go ahead and send to me real quick. Yes, yes, I know. It's that's why I was like, I don't know if I want to trade tonight, all night, and then, excuse me, and then New York because GJ is moving right now. So, but excuse me, we're about to eat over here. So, um, later, see what John got. Yeah, perfect. Yes, perfect, perfect. But yeah, like guys, if what's John doing here is he's sending me his chart, throughout the stream. So if you guys want to do that, it's like show me your markup, and then I can actually see your progress of what you're making. Because like yeah, if I can help you guys in any kind of way, also I know that um I'm not the best at, replying back. But, if we do on the stream and if you're telling me, hey, look at this, I'll definitely, check it out and then, we can talk about it. So, my setup for GJ, it's, Um, not really a setup for. I mean, all I know is just moving. So I look during the stream. Best time. Yeah, definitely. Um, my setup for GJ. I mean, this is it right here. I don't really have anything. I don't really long term trade. So, but yeah, I mean, that's all I do. It's day trade on GJ. But most of the time, I've been looking at um UJ. So, but since I think since there's a lot of news for that tonight, right here, so I might not even trade that because I don't be scalping while there's news. So, but other than that, that's really it. Um, and Euro USD for scalp sometimes. So, but yeah, definitely there's some opportunity there. Um, but like definitely back test and see what you're doing. Like it's New York right here, New York, then I mark up every 30 minutes. To backtrack, see what pattern can you see um from that. So, but yeah, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Again, it's tonight's been fun. Again, if you have any short that you want me to look at tomorrow during the stream, definitely send it to me, and then I can help you out there. So, all right, guys, have a good night. Peace.